Good morning, Vintage Dolphins! Happy Friday!
Good morning! Happy Friday!
We are coming to you this morning on the 30th of October, ready for some Halloween parade festivities this afternoon, and we are in costume. You look pretty prehistoric, Mrs. Mattis.
Yes. I was having a growling morning. Arrgh. I have some jokes for you, but Mr. Fultbury, what are you?
You know what? I'm just crawling through my web.
Ew!
Just living my best life.
Ooh!
All right,
I'm a little scared.
Why don't we start off with some jokes and then some attendance and some splash tickets?
Perfect. I have some Halloween-themed jokes for you guys this morning. They are pretty awesome. First one, why didn't the skeleton go to school? His heart wasn't in it. Oh. What monster plays tricks on Halloween? Frankenstein.
Frankenstein, of course.
What kind of music do mummies love? Rap music.
Oh, rap.
Ba-dum-bum. How do ghosts wash their hair? With shampoo.
Boo!
What's a witch's favorite subject in school?
Oh, everybody knows that. It's spelling.
Spelling. Ew. And my very favorite, what's a monster's favorite dessert?
I don't know.
I do. It's ice cream.
Ice cream.
My favorite.
All right. Very nice, Mrs. Mattis.
Right.
Very nice.
Thank you.
All right, so who are our big attendance winners this week?
Alrighty, so for last week, we had a lot of classes at 100% for our kinder and first grade. We had one kindergarten class that had 100%. Mrs. Tobin's class is on a roll. Great job, kinder. And in first grade, we had two classes with 100% attendance. Congratulations to Mrs. Charleston and Mrs. Kelly's first grade class.
Way to go.
Great job. In second and third grade, we have a second grade class had 100% attendance last week. Mrs. Kobold's class. And honorable mention, right on second grade's tail, Miss Stolf's third grade class with 99% attendance.
Awesome. How about in that fourth, fifth grade category?
Ooh, fourth and fifth grade. Miss Reinders' Happy Campers got 100% attendance last week.
Nice.
And honorable mention in second place is Mrs. Favaloro's fifth grade class. Congratulations, all of you.
Well done. We're still seeing such awesome attendance, aren't we?
Yes. And you know, if you're not able to be here every day, don't be upset or feel worried like you're letting your friends down or anything, because you're just going to keep doing your best, and that's what we're going to keep doing.
All right.
Alrighty.
Speaking of doing your best, we have a lot of students who've been safe and respectful and responsible, so let's see which splash tickets got randomly pulled this week, okay?
All right.
All right.
Great.
So, in kindergarten, Miss Timmons honors Paisley for being positive, and Miss Rodriguez honors Alonzo B for being responsible.
Wow, and in first grade, in Miss Kelly's class, Ken Lee for being respectful, and also in Miss Kelly's class, Wyatt for coming to Zoom prepared. Great job, Wyatt.
In second grade, from Miss Kobold's class, Dylan N for being hardworking, and from Mr. O and Miss Lee, Elena O for working so hard and making such great progress on your Dolch word list.
Great job. In third grade, in Mrs. Dyke's class, Cameron, congratulations for being responsible. And in Miss Stolf's class, Jameson for being responsible.
In fourth grade, Lucas S in Miss Reynolds' class for being responsible, and Trace J in Miss Reinders' class for being positive. Good job, guys.
And last but not least, our fabulous fifth graders in Mrs. Davis's class, Gabby S for 100% attendance for the whole month of September. Great job, Gabby. And in Mrs. Merrill's class, Gabriel L for being responsible.
Nice job. We give you a round of applause. Oh, we even went in the same direction that time, right?
Yep.
Last week we
Great
went
job.
opposite.
Yep.
We are super excited to see as many of you as we can this afternoon for our Halloween parade. We're going to kick off from the back parking lot at about 3 o'clock, and we're going to drive through the community and see as many of you as we can in your cool costumes in front of your homes, and wave to us, and we'll wave back, and we're so excited to be able to do what we're able to do to maintain our Halloween spirit in 2020. It'll be different and better and more normal in 2021, right?
Yep, it will be. We're hoping. And everybody stay safe this weekend, but remember to have fun, okay? Everybody have fun with whatever you guys are able to do.
Have a great
All
Halloween,
right?
have a great weekend, and we will see you soon, Dolphins.
Bye.